15 says a spinner on a board game has a radius of 3 inches and spins a circular region as shown in the on the figure. The center of the circular region is the origin, and the spinner's initial position is on the positive x-axis. Rachel flicks the spinner, causing it to rotate 600 degrees. What are the coordinates of the tip of the spinner when it stops? Now, this one might be a little bit trickier for you to figure out what type of problem this is. But it is one of those types of problem. Which one would this fall under? Yeah, I would put it under polar. Now, technically, it might go under analytical trig, but I would put it under polar because what? What are you seeing? What are you seeing here? A circle. Now, how did I tell you to do polar the other day? Desmos. So let's go to Desmos. So I already have mine in from last. How do I get the, let me go back to the way you're going to see it. When you load it today, brand new, you're going to see it this way, rectangles. How do you get it to polar grid again? That's the key to Desmos. You need to change it to the polar grid. Wrench, grid. The one that looks like a spider web is polar. Okay, now, right now, this is in pies. Are we in pies? This is in radians, I mean. Are we in radians, this problem? We're in degrees. How do you switch to degrees? Say wrench again. Wrench again. All right. Go in the wrench and you'll see it at the bottom. It says degrees there. So as I look at the degrees, what's the problem with 600 degrees? It's too big. So how many do we need to take away from 600? So 600, if we take away 360, what are we left with? 240. Okay, so here's the question. Which of these points would be on the third circle? Third circle, because it's a radius of 3. Third circle at 240 degrees. So here's 240 degrees, and we need to be on this third circle. 1, 2, 3. We need to be right there. So let's just start typing in the points. Let's try answer choice A. -3/2, comma, -3 square root of 3, all divided by 2. Now, does that look like a good spot? Looks like we might have found the answer already. Looks like it might be A. A looks pretty good. By the way, this question was correct only 46% of the time. Why we chose polar because it was a circle. So let's just check. That looks like it's third circle at 240. That looks pretty good. Let's check the other ones here. If I just change this is 3 square root of 3. I'm doing B now. Answer choice B over 2, comma, -3 over 2. Does that look like the right spot? What's wrong with this one? That 210, so that's not it. You could try C, 1/2, and then negative square root of 3 over 2. What's wrong with answer choice C? Wrong circle. It's on the first circle. What circle are we supposed to be on? 3. Yeah, so the answer choice is going to be A. 3 square roots of 3. That puts it on the right spot.